DIYers, I'm Mark Montano, and today on Make Your Mark, we are making special occasion wine bottle labels and place cards for your next dinner party. And we're using my Derwent Inktense pencils and my Xyron Creative Station. You guys are gonna love these products. Now, before I forget, thumbs up if you like this video, and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project, or you just wanna say hi. Are you ready? Let's make some wine bottle labels. I'm gonna leave a link to everything I used in this project. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Don't forget to press the notification bell so you know when I have a new video. Grab a copy of the Big Ass Book of Home Decor and I will see you next week. Bye.